Hello, my name Tiara Julia, class 4C, name 113. I will explain here a little matter about catheterization. Definition or catheter is a pipe for entering or removing fluid. Catheter are mainly made of rubber or plastic, metal, woven, silk, and silicone. The bladder is a bag that functions to store vast amounts of urine that are passed by a pair of ureters from a pair of kidneys. Bladder catheterization is the insertion of catheter through the urethra into the bladder to pass urine or urine. Urinary catheterization is the act for inserting a catheter into the bladder through the urethra, with the aim of removing urine. Urethral catheterization size. The size of the urethral catheter refers to the outer diameter, not the lumen. On the catheter wrapper and the base of the catheter always printed the size of diameter of the catheter and the amount of liquid permitted to be inserted in the catheter balloon. The size of the outer diameter of the catheter is written in units of C or carry or V or VR or French Nouveau, where 1 CH or 1 V is equal to 0.33 millimeter, or in other words, 1 millimeter is equal to 3 CH or 3 V. In Indonesian adults, a catheter no 16 or 18 is usually installed. Kinds of urethral category. Urethral catheters can be made of metal, rubber, or silicone. Various forms of catheters are made and are generally named after the maker, such as the Nelaton, Tiemann, De Passer, Medlicott, and Foley catheter. Currently, the most popular and easy to obtain is the Foley catheter. In addition to being usually found, the advantages of Foley catheters are indwelling catheters. Self-retaining, no irritating, available in various sizes, and there are 3 Y catheters. The Foley catheter can be fit permanent because there are balloons that can be developed after the catheter is in the bladder through the base of catheter. Next, standard operation procedure. Prepare tools. 1. Sterile handscoon. 2. Handscoon on sterile. 3. Sterile catheter according to size and type. 4. Urobag. 5. Sterile hole prayers. And 6. Gel. And 7. Lidocaine 1. Mixed with jelly. Put in syringe or without needle. 8. Sterile antiseptic solution plus gauze. And 9. Careful and lazy. And 10. Anatomical tweezers. 11. Crooked. And 12. Spuit 10 cc contains aqueous. and 13 urinal bag, and 14 plaster or HEPA and 15 sores, and 16 attachments. Procedure woman patient. 1. Allow yourself, and 2. Explain the procedure to be performed, and 3. Prepare the tool next to the client, and 4. Prepare to the room and attach the sampiran, and 5. Wash your hand, and 6. Position the patient with supine abduction, and 7. Stand to the right of the client bed, and 8. Install the replay, and 9. Install the blanket open genital area, and 10. Install the handscoon on sterile, and 11. Place the band between the thighs, and 12. Shave pubic hair, and 13. Remove the gloves and anti with sterile gloves, and 14. Install duct, and 15. Clean the vulva with gauze. Open the labia major with thumb and forefinger of left hand. Clean the inside. 16. Give jelly on the tip of the catheter 2.525, and then slowly insert the tip of the catheter into the urethral meatus while the patient is advised to inhale. And 17. Pay attention to client response, and 18. After the catheter has entered the contents of the balloon with 10 cc of distilled water, and 19. Fixation, and 20. Connect with Eurobag, and 21. TD of the tools, and 22. Open handscoon and wash hands, and 23. Document the action. Okay, thank you. If there is a wrong word, apologies. See you.